Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to find and clear your chat history on ChatGPT step by step. Okay, let's get started. First go to Play Store and now search here ChatGPT and check update your GPT app to the latest version. My ChatGPT app already updated. Okay, go back and now open your ChatGPT app and now click on the three dot line option and scroll down. Now tap on the history option and now click on the delete option and now click on the again delete. Now refresh, chat deleted. Okay, and try again. Now tap on the history and click on the delete. Now again delete and refresh. Now see chat deleted. Okay, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.